In Douglas, a family says they're lucky to be alive after a tree came crashing down and split through the middle of their house.
One adult laying on the floor just barely was missed being hit. WBZ's Giovanni has more.
One of the worst examples of the widespread wind damage we found overnight was here at this home in Douglas, where a tree split it right down the middle.
Woke up around, I don't know, 12 o'clock, and here is a branch through my house.
Troy Kibbe's the homeowner. He tells us he and his two young kids were inside. He could hear the wind howling around midnight when the tree came crashing through the living room.
I heard a big smash coming through the walls.
That's where I would have been sleeping, right here on the floor. Air mattress. That's where the tree come right through, the whole entire house.
Greg Linus has been staying with Kibbe. He says where the tree landed is right where he's been lying down most nights, except last night.
I feel like I escaped death for some reason. Like, that's a very scary thing. I don't know what else to say.
Seeing what happened, a next-door neighbor stopped by, broke out a bobcat, fired up a chainsaw early this morning to help clear the giant limb out of the house.
I saw on the news and there's a tree through my neighbor's house, so I said, holy cow. I got a daughter at home though, so I said I can't come out in the middle of the night. I got to get her off to school and make sure everything's taken care of. And yeah, I told him I'd come over and give him a hand to help get this thing out of the house.
And Kibbe tells us he doesn't have any homeowner's insurance to cover any of this, but says at this point he's just thankful no one was hurt. In Douglas, Giovanni, CBSN Boston.